a magnets, and Vishaun for real. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. I'm over here. Vivian just got some magnets.
And Mommy Pig.
Oopsie. Vivian's gonna play. Right?
Rocket. And I got magnets so I can play with. I'm making a beautiful house and a big house. And the shuffle real. Stop. Guys, do you wanna play with me?
Pardon?
Guys, do you wanna play with me?
I think we want to play with you, so go ahead.
Okay. Go. I got to like my dad.
I love your house.
Thank you very much.
Excuse
Bless
me.
you.
Thank you. Guys, she loves to build and play with this thing. It's called, well, this one is called Picasso tiles. The other one I don't know. They're two different packages, but they're on clearance at Home Sense, and she loves it so much. Okay, so yeah. No, yeah. So do it like that. Do you have any triangles?
Here. Here, Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Vivian.
Guys,
I have an idea.
it's right here.
It is?
Yeah.
Look. Wait. I have an idea. Take it off. Watch. I think. No, hold on. Yes.
Mommy, do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. High five. Nice. High five. Yeah. Teamwork. Good teamwork.
Thank you.
Good.
I love you guys.
Say I love you guys.
I love you guys. See, you love me too?
They do.
Hooray. So, and do like this. Eat the thing. So, magnet. Hurt me.
I'm trying to make it loose.
Just do this.
How about you do it like this on this side and do another one? Here, they're behind you.
Oh.
Here.
Goes here. Here.
Or you can do a square, maybe.
Wait, Mommy, wait. How are you gonna do that? So, guys, I'm making this toy. That's amazing. Do you want to play too? Okay. So, this is
Yay!
No!
Oh!
Oops, I made a
Are you
mistake.
okay? You can make a new one. You gonna make a new one?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I made a mistake.
Yeah, we all make mistakes sometimes. All right, let's start over.
Okay.
All right?
Guys, I'm making a new one. This is my beautiful house. You like it, guys? Okay. Guys, I like this. I like this toy. Okay. Alright. What's that sound?
They slapped together. They went like this. Look, they went. But it was like that. See?
Like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Making a big house. I love it, Mommy. Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Here, Mommy. Do you want to play this? That's a little bit. I love you, Mommy.
Love you, Vivian. Here you go.
There are more.
Yeah, there are more.
There's another one, guys.
Wow!
Yay!
It was looking nice.
Wait,
Here, you have these as well.
let's make another.
Here you got another one.
A dual gun.
But why did you break that one?
I'm sorry.
No, but why did you break it?
It was an accident.
It wasn't an accident. You wanted to break it. Why don't you make one from here? Use this one instead. Use this one. Okay.
Wait. Here. It goes on here.
Okay.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Vivian.
Get notified when you start.
Love you, Vivian.
So, I'm making this. When they went to my school, I played with my friends, and that's me. Oopsies. Uh-oh. Goes. Ready?
There you go.
And then this goes.
Yeah.
Ooh. Let's make a try. Guys, I'm making this new house. Show me what you do. Look at mine.
I love it.
No, Not you, mommy.
Oh, sorry.
The guys.
Okay.
Are my best friend, guys? Here, guys. Put it here. No! Not you. Guys.
Oh, okay.
Guys? Are you watching TV, guys? Or are you going to play with me? I'll get you one, guys, okay? That's it.
What are you looking for? Squares?
Yeah.
So who's this house for? Who are you making this house for? Huh? Are you making it for Bluey?
Nope, that's for Diego.
Okay.
And for mommy and dad.
Okay. For mom and dad. Okay. So.
Dad?
Okay.
That one.
Which one?
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
Let's keep making it. Keep going.
Almost done, guys. Whoa. Whoa. I'm okay, guys.
What do you think they should tell you? Okay, she wants to know if her house looks nice.
No, a rowing house.
Okay.
Wait, mommy. Let's roll it.
You want to roll it? You can't roll it. You're going to ruin it.
Mommy, can I break it?
If you want, it's your house.
Can I break it, mommy? I break it. I did it.
You broke it?
Yeah.
Say, I broke it.
I broke it.
Are you going to make a new one?
No. Do you like it, guys? Guys, hold it for me. Not you.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay.
hold it, guys. Hold it. No.
They're holding it. They're holding it.
Okay.
There you go. See? They're holding it. They're holding it. I promise. Uh-oh.
Mommy, put it here. Guys, put it here.
Where do you want them to put it?
Here.
Here? Okay. Yeah. So, are you gonna make a new? This is a different kind of house. What are you making now?
The big house. Like a big house.
All right. Tell everybody thank you for coming and thank you for playing with me.
Thank you for playing with me. Okay, bye guys. And like and comment, share the video. Okay, bye guys.
Thank you.